What if designing your steel building was as easy as clicking a button? No emails, no waiting days for pricing, just instant answers and total control. Meet the Allied Master Builder, your 3D online building designer, where you can create your steel structure and get real-time pricing instantly. Start by entering your zip code. Every design is automatically engineered to local building codes, so your building isn't just custom, it's compliant. Begin from scratch, or choose a template and make it yours. Adjust your dimensions. Set your roof pitch. Place your doors and windows exactly where you need them. Choose your colors, and add accessories like insulation, gutters, and downspouts. Want an overhang? Just add it. Switch between interior, exterior, or bird's eye view, and explore your building from every angle. And here's the best part. Every change updates your price in real time. No more requests, no more revisions, no more back and forth. Download a full project summary, save your design, share it with your team, or pick up where you left off anytime. And when you're ready, review your order and check out online, all at your convenience. From idea, to design, to price, to checkout. The Allied Master Builder gives you the power to build without limits. Start designing today at alliedbuildings.com/builder. The future of steel building design starts here.